Welcome to my channel Swiftlearn. This tutorial I will show you how to connect SQL Server with Android Studio step by step. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Okay, first of all I'm gonna create a folder to create Android application. So the D drive Android project tutorial folder open, and now here I'm gonna create a folder. Folder name is connect Android underscore SQL. Okay, open this folder. Now the folder is empty. Now start Android Studio. Okay, click on new project, create new project, and select empty activity. Click on next. Save location, select the directory, and my folder name is connect Android underscore SQL. Select and OK. Name the application. My application name is connect Android underscore SQL. Okay, language Java. Click on finish. Yes. Now you can see in the directory the application is created, IDF and Gradle also. Okay, now maximize this Android Studio. Okay, yes, this is the main activity.java. Now go to the activity main.xml file. Design this page with button text view control to load data from SQL to text view using button click. In that case, first of all, add button. Resize this button. Yes. Concentrate the button in top and bottom, right and left, so that you can position the button. Default position is the top left, so change the text of this button. Text is load. Okay, now the text is load. Add text view. Yes. Add one more text view. This is text view 2. Concentrate the with fast text view and bottom, right and left, and this text view also. Okay, I will display data from SQL Server Database to text view using button click. Okay, this is code of the design. So change the text size, Android text size equal to 25 sp. Okay, just copy this line and paste it in text view and text view 2. Yes, all text view and buttons text size is 25 sp. Okay, now add a Java class to connect with MS SQL Server. So right click on the Java main activity, Java class. Yes, name the Java class. Java class name is ConnectionHelper. Enter, press enter. Yes, the class is created. Now connection on and connect string uname, pass. Uname is username of database, password, IP, server IP, port, server, TCP IP port, database, SQL Server Database name. Okay, so public connection class. Okay, now IP server IP 172.1.1.0. Database name is start SQL Server. You see that server name is PC, and login name SA, password is SQL Server authentication password. Click on connect. Yes, it's connected. Expand the database, expand the programming DB database table is product underscore setup underscore tab. Okay, my database name is programming DB. Just copy this database name and paste it in database. Okay, now username SA, password SQL Server authentication password, test 1 to 9, and port default port is 1433. If you change your TCP IP port, you should put your TCP IP port. Now strict mode dot thread policy equal to new strict mode dot thread policy dot builder dot farmitol dot build. Okay, now strict mode dot set thread policy. Okay, now connection equal to default connection is null, then return connection. So now string connection URL equal to default connection URL is null. So now add try catch exception ex log.e put error and then display the exception x dot get message. Okay, now press Alt Shift Enter to resolve this error. Yes, it's solved. Now Class.forName net.sourceforge.jtds.jdbc. Okay, .Driver. Okay, now connection URL equal to jdbc://jtds SQL Server plus IP plus port semicolon, then database name equal to, and then database, what I declared database programming DB user equal to uname. User is SQL Server authentication username, and password is SQL Server authentication password. Password equal to pass. Okay, now connection equal to driver manager dot get connection URL. Okay, finally return the connection. Okay, for name press Alt Shift Enter to resolve this. So if you now in the main activity.java, in this page I will create a method to display data from SQL Server to text view using button click. Okay, my text view 1, text view and text view 2. The ID of text views are text view and text view 2. So first of all, declare connection connect. Okay, now string connection result equal to default connection result is blank. Now I'm gonna create a method is public void get text from SQL. In this method I will write code to load data from SQL Server Database to text view. Okay, now text view tx1 equal to text view find view by id r dot id dot text view. Okay, copy this line of code and some duplicate. This one is for text view 2 and the variable name is tx2. Okay, now see that id is text view and second text view is id text view 2. Okay, now add a try gets exception ex. Result error messages input later. Okay, now connection helper equal to new connection helper. Okay, connect equal to connection helper dot connection class. Connection helper is my Java class, and if connect not equal to null, then string query, this is SQL statement, SQL statement to select all the records from the SQL Server Database to Android Studio. So my table name is product underscore set underscore tab. So query select star from product underscore set underscore tab. Okay, now get a statement ast equal to connect dot create a statement. Now result set rs equal to st dot execute query is the SQL statement. Finally, while rs the next, my text view variable is tx1, so tx1 dot set text rs dot get string for index of the database column. Index is 1 2, item name index 2, product ID index 1. So this text view will display item name from the SQL Server Database table product set underscore tab. tx2.setText rx.getString, this is true. If I put 1, then it will display the product ID and 2 for item name. Okay, run this F. Yes, it's starting. Click on load. Oh, it's doing nothing. F is closed without any warning. To get the warning, add suppress lint. Go to the connection helper and add suppress lint. Add the suppress lint new API. Okay. Now see that JTDS JDBC, we use JTDS JDB and JDBC to connect with SQL Server, but in that case you should add jar dependency and you should add jar file, JTDS jar file in the project library. This is my JTDS jar file. Add this file in the project library. So this is my project connect Android SQL. In this library folder, just copy this jar file and paste it in the library folder. Okay, now it's done. Copy the location, directory, and go to the Android Studio, go to the file menu and click on project structure. Okay, click on dependencies and then F, and under the declared dependencies click on plus sign and click on jar dependencies. Just paste the directory with the file name. Here only the directory. To get file name, just copy the file name jtds-1.3.1.jar. Copy this file name and paste it in the directory with a backslash. Yes, now paste the file name. Yes, it's added. Click on OK. Now open the AndroidManifest.xml. Here you should add permission, user permission, Android name is Android permission.internet, and second one is Android permission, user permission, Android name, access network state. Permission is Android permission.access network state. Okay, now if connection not equal to null, then it's execute. Now add a else statement. If connection is not okay, then it will display message will be connection result equal to, put your message, check connection. Okay, and method name is get text from SQL. So you should select the method in the button click. Go to the activity main.xml, select the button and go to the on click event. This is on click. Just select the method in the on click. Yes, now everything is okay. Enable TCP IP. In that case, go to the SQL Server Configuration Manager. This is SQL Server 2014 Configuration Manager. Open this Configuration Manager. Yes, and open the SQL Server Network Configuration Protocol TCP IP. It's disabled. Enable this TCP IP. Yes, it's enabled. Now you should restart SQL Server service so that it will work with the apply change. Restart. Yes, it's restart completed. Now go to the Android Studio and run this app. Okay, Android is starting. Now load. Click on load button. Yes, it's displaying the data, product ID and product name, item name. See that product ID 104 and item name left of it's displaying perfectly in the Android Studio from the SQL Server database table. You can add higher clause. It's default, it's displaying the last record. So if you use higher clause, higher product ID equal to 102, then it will display the product ID and the item name based on 102. Okay, yes, click on load. Yes, you can see it's displaying 102 and mouse. Okay, this is the table name product underscore setup underscore tab, and the index is if I change the index 2 and 3, then it will display item name and Yes, load item name and design. Let's check the SQL Server. Yes, you can see it's displaying the 102 item name and design. Thanks for watching this tutorial.